The stakes for this year's session of the Commission on the Status of Women are high. Attendees will look at the effectiveness and progress towards meeting the 8 global Millennium Development Goals, which are due for revision next year. They range from stopping the spread of HIV and AIDS to providing universal childhood education.
We have come a long way, but there is much still to do, and little time to do it.
This year's session will focus on development, with a particular focus on education and reproductive rights. The executive director for the organization UN Women says reducing the number of women who die in pregnancy and during childbirth is a priority.
We see that the deaths of women and girls are preventable. 800 women die every day from complications related to childbirth, lack of reproductive health care services, unsafe abortion, and lack of control of their bodies and unmet needs of family planning all contribute.
While gains have been made in some areas, women currently face obstacles in the labor market. The UN Secretary General stresses the goal of achieving universal education, specifically for girls, is key to addressing labor problems.
Women are more likely to be in vulnerable employment with a low pay, poor working conditions, no health or pension benefits, and no protection by labor laws. Women also still earn less than men for doing the same work.
One of the biggest issues at this year's conference is whether women's empowerment should be a standalone goal after 2015. Many participants from a variety of geographic regions have already expressed support for this idea, and it's currently in the draft document.
We also lend support to a standalone protocol on equality, gender equality, equity, and the empowerment of women in the post-2015 agenda.
Despite the seemingly broad support for the standalone goal, conferences in years past have stalled on key issues as religious and cultural differences have proven difficult to overcome. Ira Spitzer, CCTV, at the United Nations in New York.